Hi guys, and welcome back to Akshita's Recipes. Thank you so much for being here today. So today I'm going to be showing you Paneer Bhurji, and I've made this paneer or Indian cottage cheese at home. I had some extra milk from the previous day, and I said what to do with it. So normally I make some caramel custard, or I try to make something, use it for something. Either I make extra dahi or curd, and then I hang the curd, and take out all the water, and then make some kind of a dip. I'll put those recipes down in the description box as well as the comment section. So today I said let me make some paneer. So I have loads and loads of paneer recipes on my channel. I'll list all of them down in the description box below. But today I'm going to show you a very special paneer bhurji, and it's so very delicious that you can have this with some roti, you can have it with some chapati, with some dal and rice, sorak and rice, anything, and it tastes so very good. So let's just go into my kitchen and make today's lovely recipe of Paneer Bhurji, and watch the video till the end because I have a few tips to share with you at the end of the video. So see you on the other side. really great recipe. You only want to just go and get your hands on some paneer and make it. So now if you don't want to make the paneer, like I'm going to tell you a few hits about making the paneer or some few tips. You can buy paneer, but few things that you need to keep in mind. Now I don't generally like to buy paneer which is kept in a packet, in someone's freezer, in a general store, because it does have preservatives and it's not, I mean, the taste is also very different. But I like to buy my paneer from these doodh shops, Dudhalaya, or milk shops where they sell fresh milk and they sell all milk sweets. You must be having one of them. Where they have all of this. You'll see some milk boiling in that shop. You'll see jalebi. You'll see a lot of other milk products basically. So I like to buy mine from there because their paneer is really, really fresh, and it's it doesn't have any preservatives. They make it on a daily basis. And when you're buying paneer, touch the paneer when you buy it from the milk person, if possible. If it's not packed, it should be nice and soft. It should not have any kind of discoloration. It should not become hard. It should be very soft. So that is what I keep in mind when I'm buying it, and it should look really white. It shouldn't have turned yellow. It shouldn't have any tinges of any other color. Now for homemade paneer. Now I'm going to leave a recipe down in the description box below as to how I make my homemade paneer. But let me just tell you about it. So basically, if you're making the paneer quantity that I was using, it's enough for a family of 4. So I just take about a liter of milk and I bring it to a complete boil. Then I lower the flame to the lowest, and then I add about a tablespoon or 2 of white vinegar, because if you add any other vinegar like apple cider, the color might be might change to a little brown. I don't want that, so I'm using plain white vinegar. Or you can also use lemon juice, but I've used lemon juice and I found that it was not as effective as the vinegar, because you do get the lemony taste, which I don't want in my paneer. I want it to be like like store-bought paneer, or like the Dudhalaya or the milk shop paneer. So I add that, and then immediately you will see that the milk kind of breaks, and you will see the milk coming on the paneer coming on the top, and the way that is down. So then you just take a big large muslin cloth or even a gent's handkerchief, put it on top of a sieve with the vessel down, and then strain all of that into that, and then tie it up and put some heavy weight, and see that all the liquid is coming out of the paneer. Everything comes out of the paneer. There's no liquid left in it. And also ensure that the strainer is not touching the liquid, because then what happens is the liquid from the paneer and the liquid down are both in touch, so then all the water doesn't come out. So see that there's enough of gap. And also don't throw out that water or the whey. Cool it down completely. Use it to make your chapatis or your bhakris, because it's got a lot of health factors. Like it's very rich in I think proteins. I'm not very sure. I'm not a nutritionist, but I've been told that don't throw the paneer out, the water out. Use it because it's really, really healthy. Use it in your cooking. Just save it. So that's how I do it, and I will leave the link to my video so you can see it. And then what I do is, after all the water has come out of the paneer, I put it into my refrigerator just like that with the weight on it. And then after about 4 or 5 hours, you get the paneer really nice and set, and you can cut it up into cubes, or you can crumble it as I've done in this recipe. So guys, if you like today's recipe, if you've tried it out and you love it, I want you to please leave a big thumbs up. I request you to leave a big thumbs up by hitting the thumbs up icon that you see below the video. I do need those likes. Also, do leave your comments and let me know how the recipe turned out. What changes did you make in it, or how you liked it, how your family liked it. And don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. I need more subscribers too. And once you have subscribed, don't forget to click the notification bell. That's very important. And then click on all. You have many choices. Once you click the bell, click all. That way, whenever whenever I put up a recipe, you'll get a message for the same. And I am putting up a lot of recipes. I have loads and loads of recipes coming up, guys. I literally have my diary full of stuff that I want to make. It's just that I have to get to making it, get all the ingredients, shoot the video, edit it. So but I'm all there because of all the support that you guys are giving me. You're watching my videos, you're giving me feedback, and that really motivates me. So enough of talking. I love talking, like you can see, and many of you might not even like it, so you can just skip all of this. I kept this at the end, but that's about it. And I would love to thank all of you from the bottom of my heart for supporting Akshita's recipes and, you know, giving me your big thumbs ups, which I really need, and also leaving your comments. And yeah, that's about it. So take care of yourselves, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita signing off. Bye.